Hello, I am Kakade Ramesh Machindra from Arsu Technical Campus, MBA Department. So, today I will discuss your point. Subject name is Service Marketing and chapter name is Introduction to Service Marketing. So, today's point Moment of Truth Service Encounters. What is meant by moment of truth and service encounter means once the customer purchase a product, he automatically gets connected with the company. He gets a contact people from the company with whom the customer can talk the regarding any queries or suggestion. Means right from filling up to form submitting the application and purchasing goods are the multiple employee who service the customer. These are known as service encounters, which may take place of various form like indirect encounter, like telephone encounter and face-to-face encounters. Seeing technology, the fast booming, most of the companies do prefer telephone or indirect encounter with can they give quick service to the customer means service environments speak a lot about the quality of service being provided by the company since it has all the tangible characteristic like furnishing noise cleanness. A customer can very well rate the quality based on the above the mentioned elements. Moreover, depend on the elements customer also start the farming expectation and hopes accordingly. Means service personnel are employee of the company who matter equally throughout the process. The way the behave with the customer, their body language, knowledge, and make of difference both with the company as well as the customer. Mistake and faulty service do happen. It the employee remaining the concerned, touch with the customer, listen to him patiently and work of the give feedback. The customer will certainly feel the confident and importance. Moreover, based on the above mentioned factor, even the customer start important moreover service and treatment from the responsible employee. That is moment of truth service encounter. So next types of service encounter. What is meant by types of service encounter means types of service encounter means the service firm have their own unique way of delivering service to their customer. However, on basis things that remaining the common for all in encounters delivery service. There are three types of encounter for service delivery as I mentioned below. So, first one remote encounter. What is meant by remote encounter? That is in today's fast paced age. Okay? The growing technology has added lot of wool to the service sector. That is, it has made remote encounters possible with the customer, which means the companies can sell their product and services recommendedly to their customer without even meeting them face to face. This is possible due to high end technology like an ATM machine where interaction is happening between the customer and a bank without any person being physically present for the same. So, similarly, railway tickets, air tickets, money transfer, movie tickets, and much more can they generate online without personally getting in the touch with any on the employee of the company. That is remote encounters. Most important point means the firm try to encounter customer remotely by sending boundaries left and emails. That types of encounter are easier to manage and control because everything is process orientation based on the latest technology. Latest technology means the say service and faults can be tested and corrected the efficient performance. This also helps in the maintaining the right quality throughout. That is remote encounter. So then next phone encounter or indirect person. What is meant by phone encounter or indirect person? Encounters, also known as indirect personal encounter, is fast gaining popularity. In the service field, in this there is the contact between two people, not face to face, but over the phone. Many companies and service providers prefer this type of any encounter with their customer because on its various benefits like easy availability, quick service, low cost, personal of its various benefit like easy availability, that is company bank information, branches, matrimony service, friendship, firm and others away to the use telephone encounters while dealing their customer. That is a part of the service provided means a part of service provided even the customer prefer the types of offer quick service to the them since of actually talk with the authorized person. They feel confident in the quality of the service being provided to them, thus even the impression about the quality of the service rendered. It is very important of the employee and to the understand the importance of the encounter like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, whatever social media. So lot about the company and its service. Thus, phone encounter at its one benefit where the service provided can make lasting impression on the customer mind by dealing with them in the right way. That is fast process. Advantages process of fast process, time saving and quickly service. So next, direct face to face. What is meant by direct face to face? This type of encounter facilitates direct and personal interaction between the customer and the service provided. For example, beauty parlor, park, hospitals, education institute, and more facilities direct the interaction between the two parties. That is like other type of encounter, even this one has one proof the cannot due to their personal interaction. Customer employee have to really careful of their body language, facial expression, and attitude most important. Science employ the act face to company, speak valuable quality and service their companies. That is your personality, your facial expression, your body language, your gesture. That is most important direct face to face communication. Okay. So next point is factor leading to satisfaction or dissatisfaction in service encounter. Most important part of customer service, satisfied and dissatisfied. Satisfied as it's very good customer service and this is dissatisfied is not good customer service. So it is the quality of service that create a satisfied or unsatisfied customer. If the quality of the product is good, then were many happy and satisfied customer. So means, however, is the quality falls in the that happy customer immediately turn into most unsatisfied one. That is Following are the points that the influence customer presentation about the service of the company. So, then part of recovery. First one is recovery. What is meant by recovery? Service failure do happen and it's important of company part to the listen is done. But now the company has to consult the creating its image back of the customer mind, that is thus working costly with the customer in immediately their suggestion can help the company resign its original image and quality of service. That is recovery point is most important in customer service company and shopkeeper. Then next, adaptability. That is seller must be adapt in natural to work with the changing needs of the customer, right from the retailer to the wholesaler and the manufacturer. Means everyone has to work backwards. The producer decides service the matches of the requirement of the customer. It is the flexible service delivery system of the help employee of the service. Means first one producer, then pass manufacturer, then past wholesaler, then retailer, then agent, then shopkeeper, and final customer, including to service. So, next point, spontaneity. Seller must maintain while the rendering their service if they behave well the customer during the start but a later stage of the disrespect them in any way, the customer start losing interest in their service. The seller have to sponsor each with their customer throughout the dealing process in order to maintain long lasting and healthy relationship. Most important in health and long relationship between the mentor to customer. So next point, coping. What is meant by coping? It is the important for the employee to cope with a stressful situation. Cope means stressful situation with easy to respect. There will be problem the customer. However, employees should know how to deal with them successfully in spaceful manner without hurting anyone statement. That is customer treatment. It's very soft and soft cornerly without hurting. That is coughing. So thank you so much.